What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we've got Jayson Casper. He has been in the cryptocurrency space for quite some years now. He also does technical analysis. He also does a little bit of project reviews, and he is here with us in the Bitcoin Census channel. Jayson Casper, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, man. Thanks for having me. I am honored to be on the channel.
Thank you very much, man, for joining. Now, tell me a little bit about you. He's also got a YouTube channel, by the way. You need to check him out. His content is absolutely great. Jayson, tell me a little bit about you. How long have you been in the cryptocurrency space? And later on, if you don't mind, we'll be sharing the charts to see where do you think the cryptocurrency, or mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, are going to go in the immediate short term. But first, let me tell the community what, something about you.
Yeah, for sure, man. So I've been into cryptocurrency since about 2015. I found out about Bitcoin and I really saw the potential there just for the asset like appreciating over time. I actually took all my life savings, my wife and I, we put it all into Bitcoin and just bought as much as we could. And eventually, the bull run in 2017 and 18 happened. And that really made me see the potential of it. I eventually, during that time, I was into trading stocks, trading Forex. And eventually, once margin trading became easier to do in the crypto space, that's where I kind of parked, and that's where I'm at right now.
Nice, man. So you do have quite a few years also in the Forex market, right?
Yeah.
You're basically full on crypto right now.
Right now I'm only trading crypto. I'm actually only trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Cardano right now. That's it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, if you don't mind, I mean, if we can share the Bitcoin chart, maybe in the short term, give me your analysis here for my community, and maybe, mid long term, where do you see the Bitcoin market cycle? Is it going to be ending, anytime soon? Has it already ended at 65K? Give me your point of view, if you don't mind, by looking at the charts, man.
Yeah, for sure, man. So we'll get into that here. All right, yeah, so here we are on the Bitcoin charts. This is actually a long trade that I'm currently in right now. Actually, this is a really interesting trade that I'm in because we actually did just break some local bearish market structure. We got a rejection off of an important resistance up here. We had a daily resistance up here. Actually, turn on these levels here. We came up above that daily level, and then when we back tested that as resistance, I got into a short. Kept on making those lower lows and lower highs, but now we just got this nice bounce, and we made a higher high. So I'm curious to see what's going to happen. Things actually in the short term are looking kind of bullish, in my opinion, because on the 2-hour time frame, we printed this really nice hidden bullish divergence right here.
Okay,
yeah, you see this on Market Cipher. And then we actually came down right into a golden pocket on the 2-hour and printed a regular bullish divergence. And, if we just go down the time frames, the 1 hour, we've got the bullish divergences coming in, even going down to the lower time frames, even still, we see these bullish divergences. Market Cipher showing money flow curving to the upside here. And we're breaking that bearish market structure. So it's very possible that we might get another move to the upside. But on the other side of that Bitcoin, we did just print a bearish divergence, confirmed it yesterday on the daily time frame, right?
On the daily, right?
Yeah. So the last time we got this bearish divergence, we did correct about 7%. And so I don't know what's going to happen. This daily candle is looking quite bullish. Obviously, it could still close, purple. But it's pretty blue right now.
I mean, I've been a little bit bearish, or not bearish, but I'm saying, guys, be careful, because like we overextended. We've been going up for a couple of weeks now, not a couple, I think, more than 3 weeks now. And we haven't had that major 10, 15% or even 20% correction. So just, there's a little bit of alarming at this moment. So it's very hard to long or short right now, because it's a decisive moment, right, for Bitcoin.
Yeah, definitely for swing trading, it's tough. I mean, I'm long and short right now. I'm short from up here and I'm long from down in these areas. But
yeah, exactly.
I'm sure you've kept your eye on this too. But I mean, we've got
we're hitting the golden pocket, right? From the swing high to the swing low.
Yeah, and like for me, I'm actually surprised that we got the rejection before
hitting it.
coming up to, yeah,
Yeah,
I'm a little
yeah,
bit
yeah.
surprised.
It's something like 51,000 exactly, more or less around that range where we should have hit it. But you know,
Yeah.
I'm curious now. I think the bears are going to get extremely bearish because they think we already got that rejection from the golden pocket. But I don't know. I have a feeling in my gut that we're going to absolutely explode out of the 62% levels, and it's going to be totally invalidated. You know, we might be hitting 55, 56K in, you know, maybe a week or two. I just have that feeling that this structure needs to be broken for the bears. But anyway, that's my my opinion eventually.
Yeah, I mean, definitely on the larger time frames. I mean, there's no denying the fact that we're in a very strong uptrend. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
there's nothing bearish about this on the daily time frame at
yeah,
all.
exactly. Yeah.
And you know, really what happened, you know, we had our first move up, we got to bounce right off the 382. We had our second move up. From here, we got to bounce right off the 382.
Uh-huh.
And you know, if we pull a fib from right here
Yeah.
to the high, we didn't quite hit that 382 yet, but we're pretty close. In fact, did we bounce off that 382? Yeah, we kind of bounced off that 382, man. So it's very possible, at least what I'm kind of hoping for, especially since I longed at this awesome entry here. It was epic, bro.
Nice entry at the low part. Yeah.
But I'm really hoping we come into this for at least a little bit of more substantial pullback.
Yeah. I mean, it would be healthy for the market, I guess.
What would be really nice is you know, if we just take a look at the range we were trading in back in January here. I'm not in January, in March to basically July.
Yeah.
This 382 lines up with the highs of that range. So it would actually be a really nice and healthy back test to come down and test that resistance, which is the 382. And, you know, in a strong trend, the 382 really is that area you want to retrace to, showing strength of the trend, but also healthy correction.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it would be nice to have that major pullback. I think that price level is going to be bought straight back up again. We're just going to be maybe a couple of days around that area, and then we're going to shoot back up. Anyway, that's what I think also. If we do come to those levels, because
right.
I mean, this is Bitcoin. You always get surprised by its movement. So expect the unexpected, they say, right?
Yeah, whatever most people are expecting, the opposite will probably happen.
Exactly. Yeah.
So where do you see this going, man? Because, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we see, you know, 58 to 60K, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Also, I think that that's why I think that maybe the 62% golden pocket, we might have a retracement again to like 47, 46, kind of a fake out, and then we might actually explode up there, man. I don't know. I have a feeling that this time there's going to be something different. There are a lot of eyes now on the Bitcoin price expecting that major correction, and I think it's maybe not going to happen.
Yeah, we'll have to see. Do you think that the bull run is do you think this is a relief rally, or do you think we're going to hit like
no, I think that definitely this is going to be I think this has been an accumulation, you know, or in between May and July. And yeah, I mean, the actual bear trap was already back in just at the beginning of May, when we went down to the 50K levels, went back up to 60K just at the beginning of May here. I think that was the kind of bull trap. And then we had that severe drop. So yeah, I mean, no, I think we're going to go to higher levels for sure. The bull market is not ended yet. What is your opinion anyway? Yeah, now that you are in my channel, I think my viewers know that what I'm expecting. What is your point of view for the market in the next coming, you know, months? I would say, not weeks, because what is your take? Are we going to peak by the end of the year or beginning of 2022? What is your movement expectation?
Right.
Market.
You know, I'm not the kind of trader that makes big predictions for the future.
Yeah.
I have to like trade the here and now.
I
tell you what I want to happen is I want to surpass the all-time highs.
It's entertainment, really. Everybody has to have an opinion on really where do they think it's going to go. So
yeah, I think for certain, if we can come above, let me see here. If we can come above this very important area, this point of control right here of basically this upper range that we were trading in, I call it the Elon Musk range because he tweeted us up there.
Exactly.
And you know,
It is down.
yeah,
Yeah.
tongue in cheek, right? Because he didn't really, but
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I
you
mean,
know,
it was a
but
distribution. It was a distribution anyway.
right, he timed the tweet well. Bet you the dude's good at TA. But you know, if we can come above, we have some resistance there. The 786, the point of control of this upper range. We've even got, if we take a look, I think we have some important, yeah, we have a lot of important levels of resistance up there too. If we come above here, I think we will see all-time highs. But until then, just by looking at like on the daily time frame, like we still see just the money flow coming down. We're
Yeah.
seeing bearish things starting to form on the charts here. I don't know if we'll have enough power to get through these resistances. That's just being honest. I hope we do. You know, my HODL portfolio will thank me.
Yes.
But I just don't know for certain, man.
We just have to trade what's happening, take advantage of the movements, basically. And now it's a very hard moment for the bulls and the bears. I mean, the bears probably they are going to defend the 62% levels. I think they're going to try and push the price down, but who knows? You know, there is very exciting news out there in the cryptocurrency space, and you know, you just need a couple of billionaires, and they will push the price back up to 60K levels.
Yeah, I mean, what's the guy's name? The guy Michael Saylor, right? He just bought a whole bunch more.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's surprising what could happen, I think. So anyway, so you think do you think the bear market is maybe potentially in for like a couple of years to the halving of 2024, or do you think that we may be going to be extended this bull market till late 2021 or early 2022? What's your take? What do you think, just for entertainment purposes eventually?
Right. You know, personally, my gut, and you're never supposed to invest off of your gut, but my gut tells me this is not the end of a bull market. This is not a blow off top. You know, history, you know what they say, it doesn't repeat, but it rhymes.
Yeah.
Something about this just doesn't seem like the end for me.
Top of the cycle. Yeah.
You know, the fact that we were grinding down here at this support for so long and we're able to hold it, and not only hold it, but have this explosive move upward, shows me that
it's not over.
Yeah, that's what my gut tells me, man. Yeah. But objectively speaking, I would have to see us honestly come above these resistances before I say it's continuing.
It's difficult because there's I mean, it's around about the trillion of market capitalization, so it's still relatively low compared to stocks and the forex market, but you know, it's a pretty big market already, being in the $1 trillion in market capitalization. But there's always the chance of making a double top, right? But it wouldn't be. Yeah, but that would be really strange. We've never seen that in the crypto and in a cycle, you mean, and the crypto space just yet. But it is also a possibility. So, what about Ethereum? Can we do a quick analysis on Ethereum? Do you do Ethereum?
I do Ethereum, so I'm also long on Ethereum right here from the golden pocket.
Oh, nice.
These are so it actually is pretty nice. Yeah, we got some trades here. You know, Ethereum, interestingly enough, I'm also short on Ethereum right from the top.
Nice.
Because, you know, we just came right into that that golden pocket, man, right on that 618.
Yeah, and and we actually created a double top. So
yeah, we created the double top. We had the 618. Yeah. We even had, what else do we have there? I'm pretty sure we had look at this. We came right into we had a daily level that we put in right back here during that drop.
And just touched it. Yeah.
We just touched that daily level. Boom. And I'm short from I think like literally right up here somewhere. But and then I'm long now from the golden pocket. So I'm chilling, man. That's my style of trading. I like to get myself into a nice short and long, and whichever one wins out.
Yeah, exactly. You stay with that one.
Just take profits out. You know, I take profit out slow during the trade, and I'm just
okay.
But I mean, same deal, right? We have the bearish divergence on the daily time frame. It looks pretty ugly.
Yeah, it does a little bit, the divergence, but anyway.
this is a huge resistance for Ethereum because of the fact that, you know, it's the only resistance that we have until we come up here, right? And there's really, we came through here like butter because there's really no support or resistance.
It's just an uptrend.
Yeah. If we come back now, you know, a healthy correction in my mind, if we want to see more upward movement, is to come back down and retest this 382, which would show that this previous high is now our support. Ethereum's a little scarier to me than Bitcoin because of the way it moved. Like Bitcoin was ranging, you know, back in January, March, and then we started ranging up higher, and then we started ranging down lower. But Ethereum just kind of went.
I know, it's crazy. The movement is much more powerful. It's more than half than the market capitalization. So I mean, it's a very easy market to move very, very fast to the upside and to the downside, as we can see. It does look like more of a blow off top on Ethereum, actually.
It really does.
But I think, you know, we've already had that blow off top. We've already gone down. We've already entered an accumulation. So I think market cycles in cryptocurrency can be like 8 months or 1 year. And this is just what happened. Now we're going to enter like another cycle inside of the 4-year cycle, no? Kind of. That would be,
like a super cycle, right?
Yeah, exactly. Or a double bubble. That's the thing that they say, like
double bubble,
like 2013, 2014.
Wow. Yeah. I never heard that phrase, but interesting. I like it. What do you think about? I mean, you know, this blow off top coinciding with the Bitcoin top. You know, it does echo back a little bit to 2018, where Bitcoin started the crash, Ethereum then rallied, and then we had the blow off top. Like.
I mean, exactly. I mean, I think it's just different this time because of the mass adoption that's happening. We are seeing so many users of cryptocurrency daily. It's not now every week or every month. We're more than triple since 2017. We're more than double since last year. I think it's over 220 million. Last year was something like 100 million users. And yeah, it's just going crazy. It's growing so fast. So I see that potential, massive run up to a blow off top at some point in the next, 4 to 8 months. It's very, very likely. Just news coming out there. We also see the Ethereum hard fork. Ethereum passing to proof of stake, it's getting deflationary now. Most of the Ethereum are getting burnt on the transaction, so that is going to have some effect in the next coming months. I mean, I think Ethereum 8K, 10K, I think is very possible in the next coming months.
That would be awesome, man.
What's your take? What do you think? Price prediction wise,
it's kind of like the same as Bitcoin, man. I mean. You know, if I agree with you. Like if the bull run continues 8K to 10K, I think we'll easily see for Ethereum. You know, if we'll get there, I don't really know.
Yeah, exactly. We'll just hold it. We'll just hold it anyway, right?
I'm hodling it. You know, actually, to be honest with you, I don't really hold that much Ethereum. I hold my biggest hodl is actually Cardano.
All right, nice.
Isn't that weird?
You're in good profits then.
Bro, I know, it's insane right now. It's insane. Cool. But this looks super bearish to me, to be honest with you. Like, I mean, into this resistance with this going on. I mean, money flow on market cipher is just coming down. We got the bearish divergences. I hope we can gather the juice. Maybe if we have a good pullback, a healthy pullback,
that would be absolutely fine. We'll be like, I'll be placing some swing trades.
Oh yeah, for sure, man.
If we do have that major correction to the 38% Fibonacci, that is for sure. I really like that level. Also, in my channel, we're talking in between the 2,600 and 2,900. That's going to be, in my opinion, a major buy zone. It's also it coincides with the 38% Fibonacci retracement there to be a healthy correction and get back in. So yeah, similar analysis on that also.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I guess that's because of all the liquidity that we've got in here.
All that cluster. It should be holding very nice. Thank you very much, man, for joining in. Absolutely a pleasure to have you on my channel. I hope I can go to your channel and do some analysis. And I hope we can do some more analysis in the near future, man. Absolutely great to have you on the channel.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me. And I will for sure, we'll have to get you on the channel soon.
Thank you very much, man. I'll see you in the next one.
All right, take care.